Good day guys! On the way tayo ngayon sa Light 2 showroom natin along EDSA Mandaluyong na connected sa Boni MRT Station at ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung magiging itsura ng unit once ma-turn over ito sa inyo. This is a 1-bedroom with balcony unit around 25 square meters. For our kitchen, overhead and under cabinet with granite countertop and splashboard with base and grease trap, kasama na yan. Kitchen appliances natin are 2-burner cooktop and range hood. Now for toilet and bath, naka-tiles na rin yung floor and walls natin at painted cement finish naman yung bandang itaas. For fixtures, water closet, lavatory, soap holder, tissue holder, shower head, and faucet, kasama na po yan lahat. Ang kinagandahan pa dito, naka-tiles na rin yung buong unit at naka-semi-gloss paint na rin yung mga wall finishes. Now, for 1-bedroom unit, kasama na rin yung laminated wood door and partition. At ito na nga yung pinaka-bedroom natin na may access directly sa balcony. For windows naman, powder-coated aluminum frame na po yan. Now, para sa walls ng balcony natin, naka-semi-gloss paint finish na rin yan. At naka-tiles na rin yung pinaka-balcony natin with waterproofing. Para sa doors, naka-tempered glass na rin on aluminum powder-coated frame. Ang kinagandahan sa project na to ay complete amenities na rin at may sariling SM shopping mall sa baba. So if you guys are interested with this project, just send us a message and we'll be happy to assist you. Bye!